Hola, la señora Vaz con sus instrucciones para hoy. Vamos a ver el plan de hoy. We're going to see today's plan. Ok. Primero, recuerda reportar tu asistencia aquí. Gracias. Ok. La actividad inicial. Usando palabras del vocabulario acerca de gustos y disgustos, responde a la siguiente pregunta en una oración completa. Envía la respuesta en el espacio que se da abajo. So there's going to be an entry box there. So you're going to type your answer right there. La pregunta es, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Okay. You will practice the vocabulary seen last class with the activities in the book. Here's your video instruccional and some other useful tips and tools. And I again put the new vocabulary, the slideshow, and then you had two audios that you're going to need for your activities. Your video instructional that I'm recording right now is going to be here. I also put some notes here so you know what you are talking about. I want you to look at this. This is about infinitives, and it says that it's the most basic form of the verb. So let me show you something. This is one of the assignments that you have for today, but it's basically just to go and watch this video. It's going to explain you about the infinitives and that's what we're going to start working on.
We're going to jump in with both feet today and get going with the words that make it happen. Verbs!
To infinitives and beyond.
When you look for Spanish verbs in the dictionary, they are in the infinitive form. This is the most basic form. Infinitives always end in AR, ER, or IR.
And now 10 seconds of AR verbs.
Jugar is an AR verb that means to play. Usar means to use. Hablar means to talk. Escuchar means to listen. Tocar means to touch or play an instrument. Dibujar means to draw. Cantar means to sing. Bailar means to dance. Trabajar means to work. And nadar means to swim.
So do all verbs end in AR? No. There are also verbs that end in ER, like correr, which means to run, and verbs that end in IR, like escribir, which means to write.
It's a verb. It's a play. It's a quiz.
What is the word that tells you what is happening in a sentence? The word that tells you what is happening in a sentence is called the verb. In what form are Spanish verbs found in the dictionary?
So you're going to be answering these questions right now.
Spanish verbs are found in the infinitive form. What are the three types of infinitives? The three types of infinitives are AR, ER, and IR.
All right. Okay, once you watch the video, you get an idea of what we're doing here. So you see that the verbs have endings in Spanish, and they are AR, ER, and IR. We are going to start most of our verbs for this unit ending AR. And then we're going to start learning how to use those verbs with different persons. But right now, we're just talking about the infinitives. Let's see what else is in our plan. So we have some activities that we're going to be doing in our book. Let's try going back. So let's see the activities. You're going to work the vocabulario en contexto, and it's the first part. And let's see what activities you're going to do. So these are your pages. That's usual. You have your pages, And then here you need to look at this part because it's going to show you the, like it's a story. It's supposed to be a video, but we don't have the video. So we're just going to see the story. And you're going to answer questions based on this story. So you have this page and this page that have the whole story. So those two pages are going to help you with that activity. So let's see. Okay, so this one is the audio. You have the audio right there. But I'm going to use, you're going to hear some people, somebody talking about the things that she likes. So when you hear what she likes, you're going to click here because it says me gusta. So that means she likes. So you're going to check everything that she says me gusta, but it's not going to be in a full sentence. So you need to pay attention to what you hear. And then for the things that she says she doesn't like, you're going to mark them right here where it says no me gusta. So you're going to have to go back and forth to check the boxes with the activities that she likes and she doesn't like. So let's.
Hola, me llamo Rosa y me gusta mucho bailar. Hola, me llamo Rosa y me gusta mucho bailar.
So she's saying me gusta mucho bailar. So that means I would check that box here, bailar. And then she continues telling what she likes to do. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The next one is another audio activity. Otra actividad de escuchar. Y esta, they are going to mention a lot of activities. So you're going to check all the activities because it's different people. So those people are telling you what they like to do. And then you're going to listen to those. And then you're going to check the ones that you hear. You look at the pictures and you check the box, the corresponding box to the picture, of all the activities that they mentioned, okay? So you're just going to check all the activities that you hear in the recording. There is only one, and this is how it
Hola,
says.
me llamo Sebastián.
So that's the first person. The first person is Sebastián, but there is
Yo soy Valentina.
Valentina too. So you just need to pay attention and check all the boxes of the activities that you hear, and then you submit that. The next one is true and false. And this is the one that I'm telling you is based on this video historia. That is right here. So you can have that open when you answer your questions. So you find the character and you find if what this statement is true or false. Si es verdadero, cierto o falso. Cierto o falso. So you go back and forth and check the answers. This one is a recording. So the question says, ¿qué te gusta más? ¿Leer revistas o montar en monopatín? Now look that you had 3 attempts here. So they're giving you 2 options. Dos opciones. ¿Te gusta más? What do you like better? ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Leer revistas o montar en monopatín? So you're going to pick either one. So let's say you like more to read magazines, leer revistas. So you're going to say, me gusta más leer revistas. Me gusta más leer revistas. And then this one, ¿qué te gusta más? ¿Jugar videojuegos o bailar? Me gusta más bailar. And then the third one, ¿qué te gusta más? ¿Qué te gusta hacer en junio? En junio me gusta nadar. ¿Y en diciembre? En diciembre me gusta esquiar. En junio me gusta nadar. En diciembre me gusta esquiar. And that's it. So you have to record those 3 answers. And you have 3 attempts for each one. This one is an instant check vocabulary. A Lydia le gusta. You look at the image of the picture and then you pick the right one. And you got 8 of those. Let's see what else. And this one, you're going to complete with whatever you see in the picture. Te gusta, and you put what you see in the picture. You complete with that. And then you have 10 of those. And that's it. That's all the word for today. You have your notes, you have your vocabulary, and you have me. You have me during class. You can ask me any questions that you have. You have all your tools. You have your audio, your listening activities. So we just work together. You have a good day. See you soon. Adios.